HP 360 laptop. This laptop has come to me for repair. See the issue. We connect power supply, and when we power on, this is a short dead laptop. See, when we power on, suddenly voltage down and ampere high. This is indicate that there is shorting in 19 volt laptop. See, 3 volt and 5 ampere. Short dead laptop. Let's open and repair this laptop. This is our HP short dead laptop. As usually, this laptop also trying to repair someone but unable to repair. Someone already trying to replace first and second MOSFET. See in microscope, they are trying to replace it but unable to repair. These both MOSFET are short, and there is also shorting nearby. Big shorting. Here's the shorting. See, this MOSFET is shorted and the board is shorted this place. See there, this MOSFET is short and board is damaged. We have to replace this MOSFET, and this motherboard is 8 layer motherboard. One layer is shorted to another layer. Because of this shorting, unable to repair. Another service center, we clean this one and remove the shorting, replace all parts, this one and these two MOSFET also, and let's repair this board. Thank you. We replace all damaged component. See, and now we connect our DC power supply. See, we on our DC power supply, taken 0.05 amp, and now we have to switch this board. After power switch, board is on now. Repairing all damaged component, removing shorting, and this laptop is ready. Unable to repair. Other service center. See, blue light is coming in my pen drive. That means display is coming 2 or 3 times on and off because of RTC. And this HP laptop is now live. Thank you.